Hey guys, today we're back for another video, and today we are going to be reviewing all of the Piratix Wild Kingdom mainline, or unboxing, rather. This will likely be multiple parts, so, yes, what we've got today, we've got all 6 Captain Packs, all 6 4-packs, and a box of 1-packs. So, yeah, we're eating well tonight. We're not eating Piratix. That would likely be very unhealthy and unnutritious. So I don't recommend you do that. But yeah, let's just get into it before I talk anymore. I'm not angling them towards the camera today. The camera towards the things today, just cause that was very difficult to film. So let's just start with the classic old 1-packs. I have brought scissors. Don't you worry. Come on. Oh, this is why we can't have nice things. Really? Can you just, tape, please? Yeah, the unboxing could be a lot of this, because I don't know how to edit properly. I can trim and cut, and that's about it. Alright, okay, there might be hope. Oh, gosh, I promise that the rest of the unboxing will be a lot more exciting than this. There we go, that's one side. Could probably get away with it like this. Or it will make the other side considerably easier to do anyway. There we go, right. Ooh, that's a nice art of Zazu, Salamander, and Johnny Banana, was that his name? Was that Series 1? That was Series 1 of Piratix. Right, good. It's good to be back. Right. Let's see. In the first 1-pack, who we have. Torn it clean up. That's nice. Cliffhanger. Very nice. Let's do one more. Ooh, is that a bit of a printing error? Not really, no. Anyways, let's just open Sesame. Oh, what's on the other side of this? Oh, nothing. See, they used to put a different colour out of it, don't they, anymore? Hello. Come on, everybody. Let's see. Quack Sparrow. Ha ha ha! Right. Shall we have a Captain Pack? Why not? Cap and Diamonds one here. It's already decided to open itself a bit, so can't be too hard to open. Yeah, it kind of came like that. But we've not lost anything, don't worry. Okay, right, so let's see what we've got here. Oh, in terms of colour changing things, I'm not doing that today just because I can tell you from experience with the mutant battle characters from Super Zings, they're made of colour changing rubber. See, like, characters like Octopus Max and Morph for Super Zings, they were just normal rubber with colour-changing paint, meaning they changed them quite easily. However, these are colour-changing rubber. Even King Camo is, on the off chance we find him in the 1-packs or a 4-pack. So, yeah, essentially, they say you have to put them in warm water. To translate that into sensible terms, you have to make the water so hot that if you stick your fingers in, they will simply just melt. You can stick your hands in and just, like, Thanos Infinity Snap or something. So, yeah, anyways, let's just get this assembled. Checklist. Ooh, that's a nice art of the Gorilla Temple. I've seen it before, but let's have a look at the playsets. What are they still pretending they sell? Right, so, yeah, you got the Gorilla Temple, Dragon Ship, and Kraken Ship. Then, Buggies and Crossbows, the Skull Cave, and the Shark Cave, interestingly, King Croc, King Shark, and the Gorilla Bros. So, outside of, like, the mini ships, that's pretty much all the places I think they've done. Yeah, I think so. And outside, like, the Octo Fury and Skullball and King Shark, but they didn't exist at the time of this series. So, what's happening first? This is happening first. Right, so the buggy. Right, so, I think don't do that. I think essentially the premise is that you press this and wham. That's quite cool, actually. Where have I seen this before? This, like, gimmick. Press thing, wow! Ow! I know they're. I'm sure what like the Octo Fury, or is it the Skullblade that has it? Might be the Octo Fury. I'm not sure. I don't know. Right, yeah. Crossbows. They're not really crossbows from what I've gathered. They're just like weird cannon things. These are really strange. Let's see. Right. So you put that through there. You put that in there. And then where's the flag go? Let's go in there. Maybe? Let's have a look at the box, shall we? Where? Yeah, right. So you can put the flag in either side, but essentially, let's see this behave. Okay, it's not firing properly. I think that's probably due to. Let's see. So you don't pull that. This is weird. I don't quite get what the point of making it a crossbow is when the crossbow bits don't actually do anything. It's just like a cannon just up. There we go. Yeah, they're alright. I wish they were a bit more powerful, like some Super Z playsets that have been made recently. They can destroy entire buildings. Not really. Right. Oh, it's a very, very slight misprint. You could. Is it actually? It is. Yeah, you can see like the top of the Piratix logo there, but I think that's because this logo is slightly too far up. But I really so much. Honestly, let's see who we got on here. Which Buccaneer is this? Oh, I don't know. I think so. Yeah. I'm not too good on the names of the series. If I've got a series, I'm generally quite good with the names. But of course, this is the first time I'm getting this series. Oh my gosh, just open! Ah! Right, let's see. Right, Billy Bucket. Yeah, he's nice. Right. Centipede, like the forearms. Wilson Hanks, is this? Are you Wilson Hanks? Oh, I don't know. I'm gonna say that's Wilson Hanks. That's actually no. The thing should tell us, shouldn't it? Wait, no. This is the right. This is Jumpy Jones. Right, good. We've established that, and then Cap and Diamond. Yeah, he's really cool. He's got a nice diamond. Creative. Let's just open this. Once again, another slight misprint. It's a bit far up, the logo, but no one really cares. Ah, Teeny Turner. That will be our first dupe. See? You've got them in there. Right, let's open it the way they want us to. Crikey, it's like an explosion. Right. Let's see. So, what's the idea of this? Oh gosh, everything's everywhere. The tissue paper's failed. Ah! So, right, what has survived the explosion then? Right. Let's do the crossbow first for a change. This weird wrecking ball looking thing? I don't know. That lives in there, I'm assuming. Yep. Don't. No. Behave. Right, so attach these on. That lives there, I'm assuming. I mean it does, but can I get it on properly? I think it's not clicked yet, but we haven't really got time for that now. We're 9 minutes into the video and I've done nothing. Brilliant. Good job, me. I might put a thing out on my community thing for future unboxings for like Warriors. Would you prefer just like one really long video or multiple shorter ones? I don't know what my audience would prefer. Right, there's that. That one works a bit more smoothly. Can I hit the camera directly? Ooh, that's quite the chance. Oh, no. Okay, it's deciding not to behave now, so I can't now. The buggy. I like the buggies more than I expected, honestly. A bit confused when I first saw them. I'm just like, what? Wait, have I done this the wrong way around? No, I've not. I can't have done. Did I do this the wrong way around then? No, that's the different thing. Okay, so hold on, I'm so right. This isn't. Oh, I've done the flags the wrong way around. Oh, the treasure. Oh, everything's gone wrong. Right, so that's supposed to be cap and diamonds. Right, glad we've established that. So this is... No, what am I doing? What am I doing? So that is supposed to go there. And that is supposed to go there. Right, yeah, we've got it correct. So this is the, something... It's mantis. No, it's not. I don't know, but it does that. Quite similar to the, trident and the anchor sea speeders from Shark Treasure, actually. Right, good, we finally got that correct. Can we hit the camera? No. 1 pack! Right, let's just tear it open. I haven't got any colour changes yet. Who are you? I'm not sure. Right, let's get you guys out now. That'll probably be all I do for this video. Right, one out. I'm not really sure who this is. Okay, I think this is Wilson Hanks then. I'm not sure. Yes! Good. Right, there's Captain Black Willy. Oh, come on. Ah! The sword's going everywhere. So, Captain Black Willy. Yeah, I think that's supposed to be a shark. Cool. Teeny Turner, we've seen you already in the 1 packs. Wilson Hanks and what are you called? Hammerlin. Cannot really remember you. Right, yeah, I think... Should we do a 4 pack? Let's do a 4 pack. Why not? I'm really terrible at opening these, aren't I? Oh my, I'm destroying the world! Ah! Right, let's just get everyone out. So, is this... Wow, Gustave? I'm not sure. There are quite a few of the camouflage crew that look similar. The Hermit Crab person, Boogie Boing, and Harry Spotter. Let's finish off with a 1 pack. Oh. Steven the Seagull! Whoa! That's a good note to end. Yay! Oh, he is cool. Yeah, I really like Steven the Seagull. Right, yes, I'll see you in part 2. Bye!